Don't you think human brain is quite complex to study? Believe me, I had my head scratching when I first learned about neurons and all. Wait a minute, does that mean I don't have a good brain? Hey Google, is my brain good? I still find this study of brain quite complex, but also fascinating at the same time. This right here is how a human brain looks. You won't believe me. It's the size of 10 tennis balls. Whoa. As the world is growing with technological advancements, how is it helping the brain? Or how is it helping humans solve real-world problems by relating with the brain? Hey, I'm the one doing all those works. Who are you? I'm Brain-Computer Interface, a computer-based system that acquires brain signals, analyzes them, and translates them into commands that are relayed to an output device to carry out the desired action. Lots of important works. Now that we know about BCI, let me introduce you to someone really special. He is Johnny McKinley. Johnny lost his arm in 2005 to cancer. Today, he is the first person to live with advanced mind-controlled robotic arm. Researchers have been trying their best to build better prosthetics using BCI and other technologies for people like Johnny. Well, I see you're doing a pretty good job here. I know. Let's dive in more. Dr. Rajesh Rao, the neuroengineer at University of Washington, is developing safe, non-invasive technologies that can connect with the brain and do some pretty cool stuff. I know what you must be thinking here. What's this non-invasive thing? Well, researchers either use invasive BCI that requires surgery to be implanted in the brain, or non-invasive BCI like easy devices that can be just placed in the scalp to detect electrical signals from the brain. Let's learn how that helps us. The body's functions are controlled by the neurons by communicating pieces of information to and from the brain to rest of the nervous system by using chemical and electrical signals. Much like how brain controls muscles, researchers are trying to develop new technologies to tap into these signals. They are developing devices and algorithms that can be implemented on computers, can analyze the brain cells, and move an artificial devices like prosthetic limbs. Neuralink, a biotechnology company based in Boston, released a video entitled Neuralink Vision, showing the future of BCI. This is one of my favorite videos. Elon Musk's billion-dollar company Neuralink is developing devices that can expand our abilities. Neuralink's Show and Tell event in 2020 and 2021 released results of the experiments with monkeys and pigs, which was really interesting. Pegger, a 9-year-old macaque playing Pong with his mind, was seen in the video. Well, I think you are really cool, and I want to know more about you and your work in the future as well. Keep up the good work.